Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a single stage approval workflow. So it's a single step within the approval process to get to a credential. So this is going to be getting to a secret within Secret Server, and we have it safeguarded with an approval workflow. So let's get right to it. So we're going to click on the single stage workflow. Click on that. Now we're going to request access. So we're going to request access here. And then we have options. So we can click on the default. So it's going to be 30 minutes, or we can say I need it for a custom period over than that. So we're going to say I'm going to make it for a custom period. So watch this. So I'm going to click here, and then we're going to click on our clock here. And then we're going to set that for, let's just create it for a couple minutes here. So we're going to come up here. We're going to select it for maybe 4 minutes. Okay. Click OK. Select for a demo. See how easy this is to operate here. And then we're going to click Submit Request. Pop over here to a different screen here so I can then see my request. So I'm going to say my pending requests. We see that in the queue. So we see my request, we can see on the details of it, and then we wait for somebody to click the approval button on the other side. They're going to get that approval via an email, or they can do it via the dashboard here within Secret Server. We see that that's pending. Once that approval is made, we'll have access to that particular secret, and then we can do our job on the particular account that we access a target server, and then after that particular approval is over with, it will then be expired, and subsequently you'd have to go recheck it out and get it approved again. So that is a single stage approval workflow, very easy to set up. The configuration is right within the secret itself. We can also apply policies to that to gain the ability to protect these secrets via an approval workflow. So thank you for watching.